Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can target US audience on Facebook ads. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. At first you need to head over to your Meta business settings right over here, and then at the left side you see something called Open in Ads Manager. So we're going to click on that one very quickly and let it load for some time, and once it has loaded up, all you need to do is click on create just like so, and then let's say we want awareness, and then we click on continue. After that, let it load. As you can see, you need to put in all of these details like name, so select all of them, and then we're going to click on next right over here. And then once it loads up, you're going to scroll down until you find something called audience control and like location. So we're going to click on edit over here, and then as you can see that it says search location. So let's say US, but US is a very big thing to target. Let's say you are targeting Texas for now. So you click on Texas and then select all of the details and everything, like here. Let's say we want it in Texas. Yep, right over here, and we want to remove Bangladesh, and then we click on next, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.